Hello guys, welcome back to this video, and in this particular video we are going to be taking a look at some of the tools that we need to be able to write the HTML code. So the first tool that we'll be requiring is a web browser. So basically we need a web browser because it is a web browser that is going to be rendering whatever HTML code we write. So I have gone ahead and navigated to these two websites here, Google Chrome and then Mozilla Firefox. They are the best web browsers online today. So you can go ahead and then also just do a Google search for Google Chrome browser and just simply download and install the Google Chrome browser on your computer. And then you have to also do the same thing for Firefox, but you don't need to install the two browsers on your computer. If you already have a web browser, then you can just follow along without having to do all these downloads and installation. Okay, so this is the web address for downloading Mozilla Firefox, and as for Google Chrome, I suggest you search for it on Google so you can download it and install on your system. Now the next tool we are going to need is a text editor. Normally people will say you should use a code editor. The difference between a text editor like Notepad, which comes installed on almost all versions of the operating systems we have on Earth. For Windows we have Notepad. We can also find Notepad on Linux and Mac operating systems. So no matter the operating system you use, you have Notepad already installed for you. So like I was saying, most people are going to suggest that we use a code editor, but because we are starting out, we want to understand every single character that we write as code. So I am not going to use any code editor. I am going to be using Notepad. After we get a hold of the basic code structure for HTML, then we can go ahead and start to use a code editor to make our work a bit easy. But for now, we are going to be using a text editor, so everybody at all can follow along. Just look for Notepad if you're on Windows. So I don't know how it is called in Mac operating system and also Linux, but basically if you type Notepad, you should get something that looks like what I'm having on my screen here, which you can follow along with. And just a recap, I said that we need a web browser. So if you have a web browser installed on your computer already, well, that is good. And if you don't have it, just head over to the Mozilla Firefox website or the Google Chrome website and download one and install on your computer so that you can follow along with whatever we are going to be doing next. And also you are going to need a text editor. So this is a text editor. It's called Notepad, which is installed on almost all the operating systems on Earth. So guys, if you have any comment about this video, or you find it difficult installing a web browser, or you can't get any text editor on your computer, please leave a comment in the comment section below. And if you have any comments at all on this particular video, do leave them in the comment section below. And I also want to add that if you have not subscribed to the channel already, please subscribe so that when I bring out the next video, you are going to be the first to know. That will be all for this video, and in the next video what we are going to be talking about is how to write our first HTML code. You heard me right. In the next video, we are going to write our very first HTML code. So I can't wait to meet you in the next video. Bye.